Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to do bird watching for European robin in Heartopia, like this. This European robin is actually one of the easiest birds to find in the game, and the good news is that this bird spawns all time and all weather, so you don't need to wait for a specific time and you can get it at the central area. And actually, if you want a much easier and more consistent spot, just go directly to Bailey J's locations, Bailey J's room. But if you want to unlock birdwatching this info card at the birdwatching diary like this, you must catch or birdwatching this European robin at the central area first before you can take a picture at the Bailey J rooms. And for the locations, it's on here. So just go to the central square and then just bird watching this one. Just bird watching at the central square first before you can bird watching at the Bailey J's room. Like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.